All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Pakistan's Air Marshal Masood Akhtar, retired, has admitted that the Pakistan Air Force, PAF, lost an airborne warning and control system, AWACS, aircraft during India's Operation Sindoor on the night of May 9 to 10 to a BrahMos missile strike. BrahMos is an Indo-Russian supersonic cruise missile that can be fired from land, air, and sea. India is believed to have employed the BrahMos missile from Su-30 MKI fighters. Indian forces, fired 4 back-to-back BrahMos surface-to-surface missiles, surface-to-surface or air-to-surface, I am not sure. The Pakistani pilots rushed to secure their aircraft, but the missiles kept on coming, and unfortunately, the fourth one hit the hangar at Bholari Air Base, where one of our AWACS was standing. It was damaged and casualties were also reported, he said in an interview, which was shared by an ex-user. Eurasian Times cannot verify the video's authenticity and awaits an official answer from Pakistan's military. Pakistani Air Marshal, R, admits PAF lost AWACS aircraft in Bholari to BrahMos strike. They fired 4 back-to-back BrahMos surface-to-surface missiles, surface-to-surface or air-to-surface, I am not sure. The Pakistani pilots rushed to secure their aircraft, but the missiles kept on coming, and unfortunately, the fourth one hit the hangar at Bholari Air Base, where one of our AWACS was standing. It was damaged and casualties were also reported.
Next morning, he came with surface-to-surface missiles.
Yep.
वो भी फिर आर्मी और एयर फोर्स ने आर्मी ने अल-फतह हमारे मिसाइल मारे और एयर फोर्स ने ये जो आप सुबह की बात कर रहे हैं
जी
ये 10 की सुबह को हुआ बिकॉज मेरी कुछ लोगों से बात भी हुई उस बेस के ऊपर 4 सरफेस टू सरफेस ब्राह्मोस मिसाइल आए सरफेस टू सरफेस या एयर टू सरफेस ये मुझे नहीं पता तो पायलट्स जो हैं वो पहले दौड़े कि वो अपने जहाजों को सिक्योर करें
अच्छा
और जैसे पहला आया वो जूम करके ऊपर से दूसरा आया फिर तीसरा आया फिर चौथा आया जो कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली बुलारी में डायरेक्टली आके एक हैंगर पे लगा जहां पे एक हमारा एवैक्स खड़ा था जो डैमेज हुआ जहां पे शहादतें भी हुई अब ये
These PAF air bases were spread across the country, with one Bholari, over 270 kilometers away from the India-Pakistan international border, IB. The strikes covered air bases under all 3 Pakistan Air Commands, the Northern Air Command, the Central Air Command, and the Southern Air Command. India's Press Information Bureau, PIB, said on 14th May that these strikes targeted ammunition depots and air bases, including Sargodha and Bholari, where F-16 and JF-17 fighters were stationed. It further said that 50 individuals, including squadron leader Usman Yusuf and 4 airmen, were killed in the bombing of Bholari Air Base, and several Pakistani aircraft were destroyed. As a result, nearly 20% of Pakistan's Air Force infrastructure was destroyed, the PIB report said. Pakistan Air Force, PAF, Base Bholari is known to house Saab 2000 Area Airborne Early Warning and Control, AEW&C, aircraft.